Hey, what's up workout buddies? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a quick 10-minute full body stretch routine that you can complete after your workouts to help you with recovery. We're starting in a seated cross-legged position. Have your hands resting on your knees or in any other comfortable position. Start rolling your shoulders backwards a few times, then forward a few times. And you can turn your head side to side gently, trying to find any areas of tension that needs to be dissolved. Breathe deep and free. For the next one, we're going to interlace our fingers, reaching our hands up, palms facing the ceiling. And if your balance allows it, look up to your hands and drop your head back. Take your time to find your pose, and when you get there, just breathe. Unlock your fingers and interlace them the other way. Pull your hands forward, palms facing the wall in front of you. Engage your core as you round your spine gently. And you can also turn your head side to side here, looking for the areas that are holding on to any tension and gently releasing. Beautifully, guys. Release your hands and come up onto your toes. Have your hands in front of you for a little support as you come into a deep yogi squat. Open your knees wide apart, feet turned out and flat on the floor if possible. Bring your palms together into a prayer position and gently push your knees apart with your triceps. Breathe and feel free to move your shoulders in any way that might create some space in the areas that you're feeling. Alright, release your hands, palms back on the floor. Now push your knees straight as you fold. You can have your legs bent or straight, whatever feels right for you today. Just let your head and neck dangle free. So it's like you're trying to look in between your legs straight behind you. You can also grab your elbows with the opposite hands and let gravity gently pull you a little bit deeper, lengthening out your entire backside. When you find your pose, just stay there and breathe. From here, just release your hands back to the floor and walk your feet back or your hands forward until you're in downward facing dog. So you're trying to press your heels close to the floor as you lift your hips up. And spread your fingers wide as you press into the floor, spine is straight, head and neck dangling free. Walk your dog a little bit to loosen up any tightness in the calves and the back of the legs. Very nice, you guys. From down dog, go into high plank pose. Take a deep inhale in high plank. Exhale as you lower slow to the ground. Untuck your toes and on inhale, come into a super gentle cobra. Try lifting up with just your back muscles at first, and then press into your hands as you go a little bit deeper and glance up softly. You can also turn side to side. If there's any tension, you can release in the areas that you're feeling. And when you find your pose, breathe and just stay with it for a moment. From here, chin taps the floor and then come up onto your hands and knees into a neutral tabletop pose. Now take a deep inhale, belly is soft as you glance up gently. Exhale, suck your stomach in as you round your spine up like a cat. Inhale, belly soft, glancing forward and up. Exhale, round your spine up. And just keep going at your own pace, so deep inhales and deep exhales. Now walk your hands to your knees and stand up on your knees. You can put a pillow underneath your knees if this is bothering you, or you can even say to yourself, nah, I'm not doing this, and just skip. It's your body, you decide. But if you're still with me, put your hands on your hips or lower back and slowly start bending backwards. If it feels right for you, start reaching for your heels and gently tilt your head back and breathe. Come back up slow and just drop your hands in front of you back into tabletop pose. When you get there, just open your left arm over to the left and then thread it underneath the right shoulder. Press your right arm forward for support and breathe. Come back up slow, left palm on the floor, and just do the other side. Right arm opens to the right on an inhale. Exhale as you twist and thread it underneath the left shoulder. Lengthen the left arm forward and press into the floor for support, and just breathe. Come back up slow to tabletop pose and just lift your hips up to downward facing dog. From down dog, just lift your left leg straight up to the sky and step it in between your hands. Drop your right knee to the floor and nudge it back a little bit. Start moving your left foot forward until you can get it as straight as possible. Flex your left toes and walk your hands forward with a straight back. You can grab your left toes with your right hand and gently pull the toes towards you to deepen the stretch. Take your time and find your personal perfect stretch. Once you get there, just hold it still and breathe. Alright, hands back on the floor and re-bend that left knee. Bring the left toes to meet the right behind you and push straight back into downward facing dog. Lift the right leg high on an inhale. Exhale, step it in between your hands. At your own pace, find your half split pose and hold it still when you get there. Amazing job, you guys. Keep breathing deep and free. Alright, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this routine. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you guys liked it. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.